just got done over here at the good old dealership, Ford behind me. Just placed an order on my bolts here. Yeah, they got me good, but we're gonna walk around and check out some of these trucks right quick. Probably film a little bit of a montage for you guys. So we'll get some shots of these and we'll come back.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone.
What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is an extension or a continuation of last video, where we took apart the entire front suspension basically. This is kind of weird because I'm filming this outro after I just filmed the clip that you'll see after this, so it's a little backwards, but we're going to be heading over to the dealership, picking up the bolts I need so we can hopefully get this whole thing situated and I can get my truck back because it's still sitting at home on jack stands. So with that being said, I'm going to hop right into that clip. We just got back from the dealership. It's now the next day from the last clips, and got my bolts, you know, my nearly $400 bolts that I had to go to buy. But we are gonna start reassembling all this, which is all gone. So we're gonna get to that. I don't know what I'm gonna start with, but I'm gonna start by trying to get these control arms in. So I'm gonna jump to that. So I ran to O'Reilly's, grabbed my spring compressor here. We're getting this thing shrunk down a little bit just so I can slide it up in here, tighten it up, and then hopefully, you know, continue on, keep building. Control arm is basically in, I think. But yeah, I mean, we're just gonna see where it goes. I don't really know what I'm doing. This is the first time I'm doing any of this, so we'll see what happens. All right, so I'm out here still fighting. We got this jacked up spring compressors, trying to get this bolt to come through. We're right at the top there. You know, we're making our way. This is kind of sketchy now because we're currently jacking up and we're off the frame. I'm absolutely covered already, and yeah, I'm gonna keep working. So I'm gonna throw up a piece of wood and I'm gonna put you guys up so you can see what is going on here because this is getting pretty sketchy. So we'll see what it does.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Find your way back home.
Alright, so after my mistake and my half hour of being really pissed off, I've realized what I did wrong, and we're in business for now. I mean, we're getting somewhere. Strut is mounted up, we're solid right now. I'm gonna go ahead and bring the steering knuckle over, I guess. I'm gonna connect that sway bar and then hopefully start putting this back together. I don't know what I'm doing really, so I guess we'll figure that out. But yeah, I'll be back. Off to O'Reilly's yet again. I need a deep socket 1, and with that, I'll be able to put this lower ball joint on with the steering knuckle, and we should be getting somewhere. So I'll see you when I'm back. Oh, it's nighttime. What do you know? Yeah, we're working back into the night again. This side I'm moving along very quickly. I meant to show you guys it all, but it got way too dark. I had my dad out here helping me. He compressed this spring for me, and I've been putting this all back together. The other side is done. I'm in a hurry. It's about 9:30. I still got class tomorrow, and I really don't want to be out here much longer, so I'm gonna hurry up and get this over with. Just got wrapped up. I gotta close this up. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and drop her. We'll see what she's looking like. We're gonna go real gentle on this, or not. Look at that level. Oh yeah. Currently, right now, if I could speak, I am leaving for class the next day after I was just out all night rebuilding the truck. And I mean, just from here, take a look at this alignment. Yeah, the wheel's straight in the truck right now, so yeah, it's not looking too good. But my mom said she's gonna try to take my truck over to the place to get an alignment while I'm at class today, so we'll see if that ends up happening, and I might have my truck back. So I guess we'll catch you then. Man, I really don't know what it is about me and not filming outros for any video. So yet again, I'm here editing this video right now, and I come to find out that it was the last clip you guys saw was my truck sitting on the rack adjust tires getting in its alignment, and I never filmed an outro or anything to follow up behind that video. So basically what happened is the alignment was very bad. I mean, I'm gonna actually run outside and show you guys the picture of the alignment and how off it was, because I'll show you guys what I put it to when I just dropped it down and put everything back together, and what it was supposed to be and what they have it at now, because the numbers were extremely far off of a perfect alignment. So I'm gonna go outside and show you that right now, and then we'll come right back. So looking at our before and our after here, we had 6.16 degrees of toe on this right wheel. It's at 0.05 now. I mean, look at some of these numbers. A 4.3, that, you know, our casters were all right. That wasn't too bad. They're pretty spot on. But a 2.62 toe here to a 1.06, I mean, it was pretty bad. Our camber, look at our negative 2.1 camber up there. Somehow that one was all right. But this just goes to show how bad it really was. Look at our angle. I mean, it was not all right. So you guys could see just how bad that alignment really was. I mean, I was not joking. It was terrifying to drive over to the alignment shop. But with that being said, if you guys did enjoy this video, it was a first for me learning all this stuff. It was very frustrating. But if you guys did enjoy, make sure you drop a like down below. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys all into the next video. Peace.